Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Ibiza 1.2 TSI finished in Technic grey. It's a 3-door model. Features on the car include LED daytime running lamps built into the headlights and front fog lights. The car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels. As the car is registered before April 17, it benefits from being on the old tax plan, therefore 12 months tax is just £30. Ample loading space with the option to drop the rear seats, which is 60-40 split. Easy access to the rear with one-hand operation. Car seats 5 in total. It's a black cloth interior. There's also electric windows and mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel. The car's covered just over 18,100 miles. It's a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates. It's also air conditioning, storage at the front with a USB, 12-volt power source and 3.5mm auxiliary, and a cup holder at the back as well. If you'd like any further details or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.